Welcome. And what page is Alicia on? Oh, I found it.
That's a good one too.
All right. Mickey Aguilera, who do you have?
Nick Riley Williams,
All right. What place is Williams on?
page 1, number 2.
Page 4.
Oh, page 4.
And when I saw she was number 2 on a
All right. What's happening with this case?
Judge
She
Walker.
needs to come up.
I think the last time she was in front of you, she was wearing yellow.
Oh, yes. All right. Does she also have a motion to revoke?
That has been continued. Year and a half or 2 ago.
All right. Who's the prosecutor on this?
I was dealing with Megan this morning, Jay.
All right. So where are you on discovery?
We are not. While asking for an offer this morning, Megan is also an at-large case that's I have no discovery on. Apparently it's around the same time frame as these 2 charges.
Okay.
And Megan needed time to reach out to all the victims, alleged victims.
All right, Norman, can you recall this in 45 days for discovery?
Yes, on July 6th.
All right, we'll be back on July 6th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Are you here on July 6th?
I think I can, yeah.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Judge,
Yes.
I just also wanted you to know, after reviewing her file, it's doing well on probation.
Okay, awesome. Keep up the good work on probation.
Can I hear that again, Judge, doing now?
What, you want to put that on the record?
Can we make the court reporter put that down like she's doing well?
All right, thank you.
Mommy.
All right, who's next?
Fabian Rodriguez, judge, is out already.
Fabian Rodriguez? And he also has a motion to revoke. Where is that? All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 008335 State versus Fabian Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Brandon Prater for the state.
Rafael Leal for Mr. Rodriguez.
Thank you. And are you Fabian Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rodriguez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, sir.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, I believe we're proceeding on count 1, paragraph B, but we're waiving the other paragraphs.
That is correct. Any objection?
No objection.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
All right. You're charged with collision involving injury. Range of punishment is up to a $5,000 fine, up to 1 to 5 years in the prison. If you have a plea with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If I don't follow your plea and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he is and was at the time.
Mr. Rodriguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 1, paragraph B. Punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. No applications. This is run concurrent with 2022 CR 7965. CC 733141, take in consideration 2026 PF 18129. Did you understand that to be the
Yes,
plea?
Your Honor.
State defense?
Yes,
That's
Your
the
Honor.
plea, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, no, Your Honor.
Then to count one, paragraph B, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Judge, we have the state exhibit number 1, including all attachments.
No
Any
objection.
objections? Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the forms of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Yes, Your Honor.
After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there any restitution?
I know where we're at, Judge.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, my client has accepted responsibility. This case is going to run concurrent with the MPR that is before the court as well. And my client wishes the court to follow the agreement that we made with the state.
All right, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 7965, CC 733141. Take in consideration 2026 PF 18129. There's to be restitution, if any, to Reina Gabriela Hernandez. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal in that cause number? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you will need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
State? You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Obviously, it's moving a little bit slow. All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 7965. Mr. Hernandez, did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney, and did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Fabian Ray Rodriguez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 7965 for the offense of assault of a public servant on September 16, 2022 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Judge, we proceed on violation of condition number 1, specifically that on or about the 28th day of April 2024 in Berry County, Texas, the defendant Fabian Ray Rodriguez committed the offense of driving while intoxicated in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State.
Judge will also be proceeding on another violation of condition number 1, specifically that on or about the 16th day of April 2025 in Berry County, Texas, the defendant Fabian Ray Rodriguez committed the offense of collision involving injury and violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Judge will waive the remaining allegation.
Any objections to the waiver?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1 and 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 1 and 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violations 1 and 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Judge. The agreement is to revoke the defendant and sentence him to 5 years to security, to run concurrent with the previous plea.
And I'm sorry, what's the other cost number? No, let me see, I can find it. Just one second. 2025.
CR 008335.
All right, is that the proposed agreement, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you asking the court to follow that agreement, Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, sir.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court, as previously stated, is finding 1 and 1 true. The court will revoke, find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in the prison. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 008335. There's to be no contact with Lanier High School at 1514 West Cesar Chavez Boulevard. They may change that name, so it's the Lanier that's downtown.
No, yes, sir.
78207. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors.
Yes, Your Honor.
And if I didn't say it before, the court will give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. Make better decisions, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.